There's no way that we know of to patch this. We just don't know how to make them secure. This comes from Zico Kolter, an associate professor at CMU. Kolter and his research team have discovered that adding what appears to be an arbitrary short string of characters to a chat prompt can pretty much jailbreak several advanced LLM chatbots. Kolter confirms that they have created literally thousands of these strings during their testing. This is Mark Miller in New York City. For context, publicly available chatbots such as ChatGPT have built-in rules that, in theory, stop the bot from responding to queries that might return harmful results. Queries such as, "How do I build a bomb?" or "Help me plan a bank robbery." There was even a contest at Defcon a couple weeks ago to see who could get the chat engines to return forbidden results. From the research paper, Universal and Transferable Adversarial Attacks on Aligned Language Models, the research team at CMU describe how they created adversarial prompts for the public interfaces to ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude, as well as open source LLMs such as Llama 2 Chat, Pythia, Falcon, and others. Instead of relying on manual engineering, Kolter says, our approach automatically produces these adversarial suffixes by a combination of greedy and gradient-based search techniques. This is a scalable, automated approach to creating adversarial prompts. That's why Kolter's conclusion is so disturbing. He did turn over the results of the research to OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, but still, if his team can generate thousands of these types of strings to completely jailbreak the blocking mechanism, that means adversaries are already doing the same thing. Breaking large language models is no longer a fun game with no consequences. You can find a link for the code for the large language model attacks on GitHub. You'll find source links to the research of Kolter's team, including their GitHub project, the LLM attacks website, and much more in the resources section of this episode at 505updates.com.